Hello everyone, welcome back to my shoemaking channel. Many of us buy sneakers because they are usually comfortable. However, today I want to demonstrate how you can craft a pair that not only provides comfort, but it also customized to your preferences. So stay tuned and let's get started. But before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. So let's get started. Learn how to make shoes with my step-by-step video courses. Today I'm excited to introduce you to one of my previous shoemaking courses. This course will guide you through the process of creating bespoke shoes tailored to your unique measurements, ensuring a perfect fit and exceptional comfort. Specifically, I'll be highlighting my Bespoke Derby Hand-sewn Opanka course. This comprehensive course covers everything from design to the final pair of shoes, totaling over 29 hours of step-by-step lessons. While I won't be able to cover every detail in this video, I'll focus on the key features that will help you create footwear that fits perfectly and feels amazing. Firstly, let's delve into the first feature, customizing a shoe last. What is the issue with standard shoe lasts? A standard shoe last represents an average fit size. However, we all have different foot size, some wider, longer or shorter. This often leads to wearing the wrong size. For instance, if you wear size 37 but have wider feet, you might end up with size 39 due to the standard last. The solution lies in crafting a customized shoe last. We'll measure both the shoe last and your feet, ensuring a tailored fit. This step is perhaps the most crucial for achieving comfortable shoes. According to rounded surface of this last, okay? Like this, you see? Things that we already did, always send in rounded movements. Moving on to feature number 2, personalized leather insoles. What exactly is an insole? It's the inner part of the shoe that holds everything together and rests above the sole. Most shoes in stores have insoles made from cardboard, a cost-effective but not always comfortable choice. In my Bespoke Derby course, we'll create insoles using vegetable tanned leather, specifically designed to fit the custom shoe last you crafted in feature number 1. By utilizing vegetable tanned leather, we can even enhance the arch support. This leather insole, combined with customized shoe last, ensures optimal support and comfort for your feet. Now, let's discuss the third feature, which might not be directly related to custom-made shoes, but it's certainly worth mentioning for its simplicity and durability. I'm talking about Handsewn Opanka shoe soles. While regular shoes often have cemented sole construction where the sole is glued to the upper, and welted construction offers a more intricate yet durable solution, it's also challenging for beginners. Opanka soles strike a balance. These soles overlap the shoe's bottom edge and are hand-sewn to the lining and upper. The stitches are robust, ensuring a long-lasting sole that can be hand-sewn. These are 3 main features of the Bespoke Derby Opanka shoe course. However, as I mentioned earlier, there is much more to explore. This comprehensive course comprises 31 lessons guiding you through every step from crafting the custom shoe last to completing the final pair of shoes. For more information about this amazing course and its extensive features, visit my website. I have included a link in the description below this video. So there you have it, a solution for crafting comfortable and exquisite shoes using a highly professional approach. If you have questions, please comment below this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next shoemaking tutorial. Bye!